Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your ATM card with Google Pay. First, locate and open the Google Wallet app on your mobile device. Once inside the app, look for the plus sign icon, usually found at the bottom right, and tap it to begin adding a new payment method. From the choices presented, select the option that says debit or credit card to proceed with linking your ATM card. This initial step is quick and straightforward, getting you ready for secure mobile payments. Next, you'll need to input your ATM card's details. You have two convenient ways to do this. Either use your phone's camera to automatically scan the card, which is often the fastest method, or manually type in the 16-digit card number found on the front of your card. Don't forget to also enter the card's expiration date and the 3-digit CVV security code, typically located on the back. Accuracy here ensures a smooth setup process. After entering your card details, your bank will need to verify your ownership. You'll usually be given a few options for verification, such as receiving a one-time code via SMS to your registered phone number or an email to your linked address. Simply enter this code into the Google Pay app to confirm. In some cases, your bank might ask you to verify through their mobile app or by calling their customer service. This step adds an extra layer of security. Congratulations! Your ATM card is now successfully linked to Google Pay and ready for secure transactions. You can set this new card as your default payment method within the app for even quicker checkouts. To make a payment, simply unlock your phone and hold it near a contactless payment terminal displaying the Google Pay or NFC symbol. It's a convenient and secure way to pay, allowing you to leave your physical wallet at home for many purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.